Hello sir, my name is Kunal Raj and my registration number is 19BCA0013 and my seminar topic is how to send SMS with the help of Android Studio. So let's start with the XML file. So first we have to create an XML file for the user interface of our SMS app. Later we will add to edit text for entering phone number and writing messages respectively. Later we will create a button which we after we click SMS will be sent, and we are using linear layout for this because it's pretty easy to use. We'll add the required elements in the edit text. Now we will go through our Java file, in which we declare edit text and button objects. Then we will assign the variables with the help of find view by id. Now we will set on click listener on our button, so we can add what we want our button to do after we click on it. Now we will check permission to send a SMS with use of context compact check self permission, in which we will give context and for what permission needed, like send SMS or anything else. With the help of package manager, if permission is granted, we will create a method send message. Else, when permission is not granted, we will ask Android Studio to request the permission with the use of activity compact request permissions. Then we will use our send message method which we created earlier if permission is granted. Now we will get phone number and SMS user want to send with the help of string. Now if phone number and message edit text column uh, are empty, then we will ask user to uh, enter the respective columns with phone number and message, else it won't allow us to go to next page. Now if both columns are not empty, send SMS and phone number, but columns are not empty, we will initialize SMS manager, which will help us to send the message. Now we will send the text message, and we will create a toast message so user can know if his message is sent or not, sent successfully or not. And we will now, while sending SMS, we have to enter phone number and the message which is entered by the user, so that message can go to the respective phone number. Now while requesting permission, we requested permission earlier, so while requesting permission to send the message, if permission not granted, we will enter the request code permission and grant result um, with the help of on request permission result class, which is already available in Android Studio. If request code is equal to 100 and the grant result length uh, is greater than 0, then we will uh, then Android Studio package manager will grant the permission, and when the permission is granted, we will call method which we created earlier, send message. And if permission is not granted, we will display a toast message that permission is not granted. Now we will go to our manifest file, and now we will go to our manifest file, in which we will declare users permission, Android name, Android permission, send SMS, and the permission will be granted. And Java code is pretty easy in this as this of this SMS app. and we have to import the required files like package manager, android.telephony.sms manager, and other required files. And how we got that the request code is, here we got activity dot request permission, many first permission send SMS request code 100. So there so here we enter request if request code is 100, grant result. So we can, so the permission will be granted to send the SMS. Now we will see the output. Now let's see our output of our send SMS app. So we will click send SMS app, and we will see the if we don't write anything in it, and if we click send SMS, the app will be closed without uh, toast message. Now if I enter 9, now we enter any number, and if we send hi, and if we click send SMS, then it will be sent SMS sent successfully. The toast message will be displayed. Thank you.